Actually, yeah, never mind. Oh my god, it's gonna be like really
Get
tough.
food, Jillian.
Oh shit.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get food. You chase him.
Crap! This is so bad. To be honest, I'm just cooked. If there's no structure, I'm cooked. Oh shit. Now!
Oh my god, Jillian. Get, guys. So, walk on the fast. Build the boat. I'll go build the boat.
Come on, please.
I have a lot of foods to build the boat.
I'm running! Oh my god.
Ano ka na mabitin ng dragon? Hindi.
We're already forgot.
Pero sana kung 3 hours tayo.
Come on.
Kakaya niya mabit yung dragon.
Nah, bro, I'm cooked. I'm just cooked, bro.
Nah, you're just not believing yourself.
Nah, bro, I'm just cooked.
No! I made a hole.
What kind of hole?
Sinkhole. What the fuck is that? Oh my gosh. It's getting stuck.
How am I getting stuck, bro?
Yo, don't get my coal. No, silent. Ah! Meron na palang copper iron, ano? Wala pa.
Wala pang copper.
Iron.
Oh my god.
Meron na. 1.21.
Actually, 1.21.9 na grace yung copper.
Oh, 1.29 pala. 1.29.9 pala meron na.
There's some goddamn crap. I need some good stuff.
I'm actually crap in this game.
Wait, since when? Huh? What? I'm so confused. I'm confused. Wait, what? Where did... What?
Ayos! Huh?
I'm so confused.
His name is Fries, but does it need a glass?
Come on, quick, please.
Aray! Ako yun na! This guy is stuck. Yeah, I'll go try to chase him. Actually, no, I'm not a good fighter. Maybe let's just find a game. Let's just find game. I don't have food. Oh, there's a good game right here.
Those are all pretty far, actually. Thanks for giving me some time.
Oh my god, I'm dead. Oh my god, I'm dead. I'm dead. No. I'm dead. Oh my god, I just brought all of that damage.
One. Where are you guys, bro?
Shit, help! 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 Okay, I'm just kidding. How do you have it? Do you have more irons? One. Can I get it? Can I have it? Oh.
Come on.
I can't press my gear right. Pumayaan mo siya! Boss na kanina eh! Boss na! Paalala si Batman! Alright, I'm gonna chase him.
Come on, give me something.
Siyempre ka confident.
Piece of crap.
Oh my god, he has a lot of foods.
I swear, but I'm killing every mob I can possibly kill. Oh. Interesting. Interesting, but not that interesting.
Oh, I'm gonna make a smoker.
Come on. I need this one thing.
He has diamonds. No. Kailangan niya mapatay. So,
One of dapat isa ko kayo dapat mapatay.
So, lagi lang tayo. Dapat lagi lang tayo magkakasama. Ikaw, sino kaya mag-mine?
What the hell is that? What the heck? Okay, this looks good. What the hell is that, bro? You guys are far as hell. Okay, I can have some time actually. I'm not taking any chances to go in any cave, so I'm just gonna run as far as possible. So
Ravin, hold on, wait. Oh my god, we just found the ravine. What's up, CJ?
Sure.
What's up, CJ?
Come on.
I'm just trying to imagine how CJ can win.
Ow, shot. crap.
Hindi nakakita ulit eh.
Hindi siya nakakabenta ito.
Dami ko iron shit.
Oh my gosh, that's nice. So that is more than nice.
Perfect lang yung ginagawa mo. Uy, deep plate mo.
Where?
Dali kayo can find diamonds. I can find diamonds.
Might find diamonds.
I can find diamonds.
Gamitin mo side pa na laro!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Bro, let's cook your food. Ako na, mismo ko lang ako dito. Holy shit. Ako na, dito na ako. What happened? Ako na mo.
Dali dito.
Oh my gosh, diamonds.
Weh? Paano dito? Wait lang.
Diamonds only.
Ang gara din. Bantay. Bantay. Hindi ka lang magawa.
Oh my god, creeper! Kunin mo na yung diamonds! Saan ka ba?
Alright, bang!
There you go! No, hindi yan. Akin na lang yun. Oh my god! What the fuck? What a vein! What a vein!
Putang ina mo, gago!
What a vein! What? Ilan? 12 diamond vein! That is crazy!
Gagawa ko na.
Look what I found!
Ito.
Hindi ako pre.
Nag-buff?
No!
Ano gagawin ko?
Sword and ano? Tools lang. Gawa ka tools. Tools is more important.
The fuck, vein?
Oh my god, you're so lucky. What a vein.
Ano na ito? Ano ba?
Meron ka ba natin ng diamonds?
4.
Nice.
Saan yung diamond?
Ako na, akin na lang. Hey, please, let me have that. Give me 3.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Go! Oh, hot go.
Uy, Brennan, please ako, pre.
Sabi ko turutot kasi.
Let's go!
Mabilis ako.
Gibre, magpayagan ni sniper tayo. Yo! Don't kill me. May asun kami. I'm dead. Please don't break that.
Tanongin nyo lang, dalawin kalaban niya eh.
Yo, diamonds again!
Again!
Oh my gosh. Dude, CJ is so good.
Yeah, right.
Kaas mga sniper boy. Lugi tayo.
Safe na tayo. Safe na tayo. Maliit ang ito nga. Saan yung pansin?
Pag-ranking na lang ako.
Clear talk na.
Ranking na ba?
I have full set of tools na. Oh no, we got
You guys are cooked.
diamonds.
No! No! No!
Alright guys, so cool. Ooh.
Nice one!
Shit!
Image. Here. Kasi isa lang. Tagot ang karakter ko.
Ito naman, bossing. Go na yan, pre. Next one. Wow. Ano yan?
Hey, price man, come here. Ay, actually, tingnan ko ano, gawa ka bakit?
Alam bakit?
Ako na lang, gawa ka bakit? Gawa sa akin.
Ay,
Okay, nice.
What?
yes, smoke na. Asan burat? Oh shit.
But he's getting more diamonds. Can I get, ano, can I get 2 foods? 2 pieces of steak. Alright.
I'm fully loaded.
No, don't go yet. Let's find more diamonds for armor. For armor, let's go. We need more, dude. We need more.
Happy nga, kagabi nga meron kami nakasaka din eh. Pero hindi pa naging jowa. Ay, hindi ko ba? Binilak ko eh. Nakuha ko ba yan?
Yung loaded. Lumaray pa! Bitch!
Nice. Another vein.
See?
Patay na talaga tayo.
Oh my
Sa'yo.
Yo! I found
Diamonds.
Ako na yun, ah. Yes na yan. It's mine.
Ay, may nakita rin ako. Go, go.
Ha?
Bitch is full.
Sila nga ang taas. Oh my god! It's worth it.
I'm naked.
That much diamond, that's worth it. I'm not even kidding.
I got 7 diamonds already.
Labas.
Yummy, yummy
I'm
diamond.
so good at MLG.
Ano?
Meron pa doon yung ako nila. Mineshaft!
Nice!
Ay, hindi
Where
nakatulog.
are you?
Nakapatay nga ako sa molotov ko.
Nagbablog kaya?
Shit.
Oh, yan lang. Nakapatay naman ako eh.
No disturbing, please.
May diamonds na naman.
Imagine he won. He win. Imagine he win. Dude, I don't know what to react.
Gain again. Gain again. Okay.
Wait, what? Another vein?
Gain again. I have 14 diamonds, man.
Damn!
I'm gonna...
I only got like 6.
Okay, lapit, bilis.
There's like a mine shaft.
Saan pa marami? Yes.
Holy shit!
Wala ako sa isang server, oh. Pangit mo.
We need at least full set of iron armor. Full set of iron armor and wala na.
Patay na yan. Patay na yung isa. Mag-save na lang tayo. Pangit eh. Nagkakaano ba doon?
Mine shaft!
Holy shit!
No! Oh wow! The clutch of the thing. Ito tayo, ito tayo blender.
Gonna die in this fucking lava.
Don't go to the nether. Unless you get some, you go get netherite. If you get, just go.
The fuck this shit? Nakakano dito.
Oh, diamonds! Oh my gosh, baby zombie.
Third yan. Kasama pa isa.
One. I thought baby zombies are strong. No, they're just overrated. Wait, we can actually get wood now because of the mine shaft. That's one way to get wood.
Oh, deep slate. Oh. Ah, I mind it. Ah!
Oh, I'm gonna die!
Yo, run! Eat food! Don't jump in the dripstone. Why are you jumping the dripstone?
No, I'm never die.
Oh, is this?
Dream never die. Joke lang, mamatay lang ako ng isa.
Ah!
Mine shot! Uy, mine shot!
Kaya nga.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh! The jump scare.
That's why I can read jump.
Hey, don't get my irons there. 30?
I have 14 diamonds.
Magaya sila started. Pasok ka dyan, tapos mamaya batuhan mo. Dahil ka kasi. Sniper kasi ano. Pag pumasok eh. Pasok. Go.
What the fuck, Ryan? I'm gonna say it.
Wala na dyan.
How did he not impact?
Pagano yung bala.
Meron pa siya 9. Wow!
Ito yung bulog ng baril ko.
Hey, don't get my irons
Bulog ng
there.
baril ko. Ako yun ang isip ko. Talo. Maayos ka na.
Oh my god, another deep slate gold. Lol.
When I hear city lock, I'm getting
Why you mad?
scared because like
Putang ina.
Oy, find the daggers! Find the daggers!
How can we win if you have no loads?
Sino?
Ikaw, pwede nga loads ako. Nakuha mo na?
Wait, ako eh.
Nakuha mo yung ano mo yung Di ba namatay ka?
Oo.
Nakuha mo yung mga loads mo? Nice.
Wait, ako eh.
I thought you cooked it. Wait, what? Over me with diamonds? Moments before No!
Nagiging yung iron skin.
Akin! Please don't touch it. I'm making out. I'm gonna get some art. I'm gonna Actually, get this. That's brand new.
Magkano yung ano dito, 30 minutes yan?
Boss yan, boy! Boss yan, boy! Hey, baka ako sumugod, boss!
I'm so stuck. I'm so stuck. I'm so stuck.
Diamonds!
Where? Get that. Take it. It's yours.
Ito ko! Aray ko!
Wait,
Wala na ako!
Nice. Get some food. Don't. He might be stuck.
Ikaw na magano.
Wala kasi Boris tayo din.
Don't listen. Don't listen. Oh my gosh! I almost got impact. Oh my god, there's a lot of foods here.
Ayaw bala, gato.
I'm so ready, bruh. I'm like extremely ready right now because it's so
I'm so stuck that I can just tank the
I'm on my way. Oh, Sean. Oh, Jill. Oh, Russell. I'm coming for you.
I'm going up because I don't have food.
Uy, yung kamay nga, mainit. Okay na naman, Rodrick.
Oh, what's this? What?
Boy!
Oh my.
Don't!
I'm coming.
He's near.
I'm close
Stay
by.
together. Why don't you have full set?
I'm like very close by actually.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah. Oh, Shani.
Going up.
1 point, huh?
Actually,
Don't fight him yet.
I need this.
You know what? I'm gonna give you. I don't know what to do. Let's see.
I'm so lucky.
No!
Oh,
no,
I
he's
see
here.
you. Come here.
He's here.
Oh, Jill. Oh, Russell. Oh, Sean!
So stuck! Hold on.
You guys are so
Wait for
cool.
us, wait for us.
If I kill one of you, it's over. It's so over, dog.
Panalo ka agad siya. Just stay together. Just wait me, okay?
Come here!
Is he there? Punta ka sa amin. Wait lang. Hanapin mo ako. I'm so scared. Hold on, chill.
Come here!
Dude! Oh my God! Where am I?
Come here!
He's there!
Russell! I'm going for you, ass! Come here! Bud! Oh, God.
Wait! No! No! He's so...
Come here!
Buhay pa siya! Dude! You did like no damage to him! Dude, actually, you did like no damage to him. Run!
Don't pressure me.
Come here!
Dude! He's so locked in! Huh?
Instead of being
Just wait. I am so near. Don't tell me I'm in a mountain. If I am, okay, I see that.